Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss probability, class 10, exercise 13.2, problem number 13. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the probability of getting a defective and non-defective pens. In this session, we are going to discuss how to find the probability of Saman 2 dice is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Probability and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Question number 13. Two dice are rolled simultaneously and outcomes are added. First one, complete the table given below. Even, Saman 2 dice, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probability, Saman 2 dice probability 2 is 1 by 36 and Saman 2 dice 8 is 5 by 36, Saman 2 dice 12 is 1 by 36. Remaining one we need to find. Probability of sum of 2 dice is 3, 4, 5. This all we need to find. Second one, a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument? Justify your answer. 2 dice it will be. So in this, for example, in this 1 die, in this also 1 die. So I rolled once. Here we got 1. On the top face it is 1. In this also I got, for example, in this we got 4. What are the sum of the 2 dice top faces? 1 plus 4, that is 5. Like that we need to do here. So this is the first die you can take, this is the second die. Now you can take the table. On the die 1, we are taking on the top, a die is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 numbers. Second die also it will be same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we rolled 2 dice at a time. Simultaneously we rolled. So on the top face, in this one and in this also we are getting, means 1 and 1. 1 comma 1. Next here we are getting 1, here we are getting 2, means 1 comma 2. Here 1 comma 3, here 1 comma 4, here top face in 1, here we are getting 5. 1 comma 5, here 1, here 6. 1 comma 6. Next time, in this, here on the top, we are getting 2. Here we are getting 1. Means we can get 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. On the top face, here 3, here 2. Here 2 and here 4. 2 comma 4. Here 2 and here 5, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 6. Next here on the top face it will be the 3, here it will be the 1, 3 comma 1. Here now 3 and here it is 2, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. On the top face we are getting here 6. Next one it is, so 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Next, here in this die, we are getting top face in 5. Here we are getting 1. 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Now lastly, here on the top face we are getting digit 6. Here we are getting first case in 1. So 6 comma 1. Just we are assuming, like that we are getting the possibilities we are assuming here. 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So total how many possibilities we got it here? Total it will be the 36. When two dice are rolled simultaneously, we are getting total number of outcomes will be 36. Once you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6, this total we are getting 36. Okay, now you can see the solution. It is also solution part only. When two dice are rolled simultaneously, total number of outcomes equal, that is 36. Total outcomes will be 36. Now you can take the table, this table I am taking. Event, that is sum on two dice, favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes, just I am writing FAV, favorable outcomes. Next, probability. So probability, that equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So here we need to find first 2. Sum on two dice will be 2. So in this one and in this one, 1 plus 1 only we are getting 2. So sum on two dice. So here 1, first die in 1, second die also we got 1. Means it is 1 comma 1 only. Only one possibility. That is sum on two dice is 2. That is 1 comma 1. So number of favorable outcomes, how many here? Only 1. So probability of getting a sum of two dice is 2 is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes it will be 36. Means 2 by 36. Next, 3. Sum on two dice it will be the 3. 3 means, for example, this is the first die, this is the second die. So here we are getting 2, here we are getting 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now here it is 1, here it is 2. 1 plus 2, that is also 3 only now, means 1, 2, 2, 1. Remaining all times we are not getting sum on two dice is 3. Not getting, that is, means 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Total number of favorable outcomes, how many it will be? That is 2. Means 2 by 36. 2 ones are 2 18 there. Means 1 by 18. Next, 4. Now, favorable outcomes to 4. Favorable outcomes to 4 means, here we can add it 1 plus 1, 2. It is not, we are not getting. Here 1 plus 2, it is 3 only. But here asked 4. Sum of two dice is 4. So here 1 plus 3 is 4. Here 1 plus 3 is 4. Here we are getting 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 3 comma 1 is 4. Means 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1. Total how many possibilities it will be? That is 3. So the probability of getting a number sum on two dice is 3 by 36. That equal 3 ones are 3 12 are 36. Next, 5. Sum on two dice is 5. Sum on two dice is 5. Now 5 we need to find out. Here once you have to say 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. We need to find 5 it will be, and in this 2 and 3 it will be 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1. Means favorable outcomes will be 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1. So total number of favorable outcomes, how many here? 4. Probability of getting a number sum on 2 dice 5 is, favorable outcomes is 4, by total number of outcomes is 36. 4 by 36 means 1 by 9. Next, 6. 6 we need to find. 6 means here 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 comma 3 is 6, 4 comma 2 is 6, 5 comma 1 is 6. That all favorable outcomes you can write it. 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of favorable, number of favorable outcomes it will be 5. Probability of getting a number sum on 2 dice 6 is 5 by 36. We can't cancel 5 by 36. Next, sum on 2 dice is 7. 7 one we need to find. So 7 how we can get? Here 1 comma 6 is 7, 2 comma 5 is 7, 3 comma 4 is 7, 4 comma 3 is 7, 5 comma 2 is 7, 6 comma 1 also 7. Means favorable outcomes 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 1. Total how many we are getting? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outcomes we are getting. So probability of getting a number sum on 2 dice is 7 is 6 by 36. That one we can cancel. 6 1 are 6, 6 6 are 36. Means we are getting 1 by 6. Now sum on 2 dice is 8. 8 one we need to find. So 8 how we have to get? This is here 1 comma 6 is 7. We can't get. Here we can see 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6 will be 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 comma 5 is 8. 4 comma 4 is 8. 5 comma 3 is 8. 6 comma 2 is 8. Means 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 3 and 2 comma 6. That equal number of favorable outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that 5. Probability. What is the probability of sum of two numbers is 8? That is 5 by 36. We can't cancel, that is now 9. 9 we need to find out. So 9 means here only 3 comma 6 it will be. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 comma 6 comma 3 is 9. Means we need to take 3 comma 6, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 4, 6 comma 3. So number of favorable outcomes we are getting 4. Number of favorable outcomes we are getting 4. So probability of getting a number sum on 2 dice 9 is 4 by 36. That equal 1 by 9 we are getting. Next sum on 2 dice is 10. Sum on 2 dice is 10. 10 how, what are the possibilities? First die in 4, second die in 6 and 5 comma 5, 6 comma 4. Only 3 possibilities, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 4. So total number of favorable outcomes will be 3. So probability of getting a number sum on 2 dice 10 is 3 by 36, that equal 1 by 12. That equal 1 by 12. Now 11, sum on 2 dice will be 11. So what we have to get here 11? 11 means 5 comma 6 and 6 comma 5. Only two possibilities, 5 comma 6 comma 6 comma 5. That equal favorable outcomes will be 2, and probability of getting a number 11, sum on 2 dice 11 is 2 by 36, that equal 1 by 18. That equal 1 by 18. Lastly it is 12. So 12 means just 6 plus 6, both dice in this die 6, in this also 6. Both adding only we can get 12. 6 plus 6, 12 only na? So only 6 comma 6. That equal only one possibility, that probability is 1 by 36. That probability we are getting 1 by 36. I am writing here. So here when two dice are rolled simultaneously, we are getting like this, sum on 2 dice. This is the favorable outcomes and number of favorable outcomes. In this only we are getting. Probability also we got it. Next, second in this, a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument? Justify your answer. See second solution here. 11 possible outcomes only we are getting. No, here already we got it. Total possible outcomes will be 36. Total possible outcomes will be 36 means that argument is wrong or right? It is wrong only na? So the above second one, argument is wrong. The above argument is wrong. From the table, sum on 2 dice, sum on 2 dice is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 11 and 12 are different possible outcomes we are getting. So have different possible outcomes. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.